Well, hey, welcome to Do Things Make Stuff. Today I've got a video that I have been waiting a year and a half to make for this thing to show up. It's called the Scribit. Now, if you haven't heard of the Scribit, I would tell you to look it up on YouTube, but I can't find a video except for their promotional ones, which are awesome. But basically, it's a thing called a vertical plotter. It is a robot that draws on your walls. And I was thinking about designing one with a couple of friends of mine, and just the time and energy that it was taking to get to where we wanted it to be. And then as I was in the process of looking, this thing just happened to pop up on the market. So I bought one, but with Kickstarter, I had to wait a year and a half, but it's finally here. So I want to do an unboxing video. I'll shoot a separate video of my first user experiences, but I downloaded the app a couple days ago. I've been flipping through it, but I'm excited to see what is inside this box. So let's take a look. All right, so here we go. Let's take the packing slip out of there. I don't need to be pretty with it. There we go. Now, here it is. All right. A line is a dot that went for a walk. I love it. All right. Here's the box. And ooh, there it is. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. I'm too excited. All right, so first thing, it's a get started box. Comes with a tape to help you hang it on the wall. Some instructions for use, a couple of stickers. I will surely flip through those later. But this is what it's all about. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Scribit. Now, the wires are stuck in there, but nice metal body. Pulleys on the side. Flip it around. There you go, some rollers. This is a foot to push it on and off of the wall. It's funny, it doesn't look like much, but man, this is an amazing piece of technology. You can put 4 different pens in, different colors, it rotates them. You can draw on a bunch of different surfaces. Let's get this guy out of here. All right, now, one of the other amazing features that this thing has, besides all these, so we've got a power block, which plugs into an adapter, and we've got our US plug. But these are erasable markers. They're colored markers they're pens, but by heat, they developed a pen that with heat erases itself. Let's take a look. There we go. We've got red, blue, green, and black. Erasable markers. Not with water. I'm having a hard time focusing on there. There you go. Erasable markers. With a nice tip. Erasable with heat. Really interesting. So you can use any markers in it that will fit inside of this. They show you using whiteboard markers. You can put Sharpies and different sorts of markers inside of it. Well, there we go. If I can get this piece out of there. Oh, there we go. Here is our Scribit. wires, markers, and instructions. There it is. Sorry for my messy table. Again, I was too excited. I needed to open this up. I'm really intrigued to get this thing on the wall and see what it can do. The app is really sweet. Even if you don't have one, you can download the app and see all of their designs. As of right now, you can kind of upload your own, but not fully. Scribit has been working with artists to catalog designs and get these going with multiple colors. And you can upload either a photo, so you can take a selfie apparently, and it will render it so that you can, so it turns into the lines. Or you can upload a graphic and it kind of processes and interprets it. So the couple that I was playing with didn't come out super sharp, but I also know their primary goal was to get this in users' hands first, and then to continue to develop the software side of it, when including the app. So this is exciting. So there's the unboxing video, potentially the first one of the Scribit. Now this is a tape. I said before, you can put this, I think the mounting points are almost 13 feet wide, or just over 13 feet wide, and 6.5 feet vertically, which gives you, I think, basically a drawing area of half of that. So when you open the app, you tell it, okay, my wall dimension is this. This is the X and Y axis where you're hanging it. And the way it works is with this guy, you have these loops on the end here, and you just put a small nail in the wall, you hang these loops on it, you tell it how far it is apart between the nails, which is what this is for. It has some loops in there to help you with that. And then you tell it how far off the ground it is, which I think the maximum that it can go down is somewhere around 6 feet. So 13 feet wide, 6 feet off the ground. It gives you a total drawing area of about half that, 6 feet wide, 3 feet tall. But I don't know if that's 100% true yet. And I bet you it's something that also software-wise are gonna be working on. I have a Glowforge, and with that laser, since that was also kind of a crowdsourced thing, they're continuing to develop software, and the carve area was a certain size and it continues to grow as the software gets better and better and better. And I am expecting the same thing with the Scribit. This is just version 1. This is the beginning. This is the first ones in the hands of people that I've seen, unless I'm missing something. But the first order to the United States, I think this is it. I think this just dropped today. So I'm gonna try uploading this video, and then tomorrow, or shoot, maybe tonight, I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna hang this thing on the wall and see what it does. All right, well, thanks for checking out Do Things Make Stuff. If you like this video and others like it, or really, I do this channel just for me to have fun. So if you like what's going on, feel free to subscribe, like this video, and we'll be back in the next couple of days with video number 2, Scribit First Draw.